and slime. And even added some ingredients to the slime. In this video, it's gonna be so builderific. We are gonna be building a house. Here it is. Oh, it's so nice. Let's get started. This is the base. And you have to put 2 blocks, like 2-headed blocks on each side where they connect together. You guys come close to me a little bit. And now we are gonna put some blocks here. So here I have a door with, oh, and let's put this cover on. Here you can see it. And here you can see some little holes. And then that's what it makes open and closes. And here we have a window with a blue opener and closer. Wait, what? I think that doesn't exist. So here it is. And here's the window. It's a white window with a blue opener and closer. And you can put it here. I'll put it here. No. Let's remind Dad about him. Okay. You can see that we can take this off and put all 3 blocks. And then here, we have to put it here. Then, we're gonna put 2 of these 1 blocks and then 1 here. He's hearing the song. Yay. Let's move on. And here, we have a big place here. So now, let's get to these. Here, I have to put 1 here. And then 1 like this, side to side. This. That reminds me of side to side Ariana Grande. Been around night. Let's carry on. Goes here with our little house. So you could see the stars from our bed. So here's a 4-bed, a 4-corner bed, and here it's just like a normal bed, but on top of the house roof. Wait, what did I just say? Never mind. Or we should make this a balcony. I just said what I wanted to do a long time ago. Okay, where should we put this pantry food locker? So here, I have some food. And I open this up and put this here and this Sigmari bag here. And then I close it. Where should I put that? I think we should put it inside the house right here. So, yeah, in the house. Why not? Why not? Oh, and, here, I have a bed right here, and instead of a balcony, we could make house beds. Just like that, and it's fine. You could move them whatever direction you like. You can make and you could even put them side to side and make a bed. My brother's playing hockey with his own feet. He's like doing this. He's passing the sleeping Smurf around. Now, let's put some noise into this house. Turn this on. Yay! Let's add some decorations. Let's add some people right on on these beds. One here and one here. Now let's put some food. Let's open up here and down here and put in some food. Like this, into the shelves. Oops, forgot where the and put on some music with some noise. Yahoo! Uh-oh.
Let's build another.
If you liked the video, please please check this house out.